This Midwest Marc original is called Tractor Seats. I wrote this song. My grandpa was one of my favorite people. He kind of was one of the ones that took on the role of dad for me, taught me a lot of stuff, and some of my favorite memories from my childhood growing up with him around was working in the wood shop and in the garage and doing all the man stuff. And whenever we needed a break, we'd go out to the front of the garage. There was some of those old metal milk cans that he had attached tractor seats, old metal tractor seats to the tops, and there was two of them that sat right next to each other out front of the garage, and we'd sit on there and have our guy-to-guy talks. And I tried to write a song about him after he passed away for the longest time. I could never really do anything that fit, but then I come up with this one. My buddies Mace Hathaway and Tim O'Grady, we were hanging out one night, and I was telling them a story about those tractor seats, and they said, well, there's your song right there. So this is Tractor Seats. It was just some old tractor seats mounted to 2 milk cans. It's where we sat and had our talks about what it means to be a man. You talk about life, work and love, faith in the good Lord up above. Back then it seemed such a simple thing, but now those memories mean everything. It was you and me on those tractor seats, sweet memories you were teaching me on those tractor seats. When my dad stepped out, you stepped up, did everything you could to build me up, support my dreams like any good father would. All the best parts of who I am are things I learned from you, old man, making it in this world today, 'cause I had you showing me the way. It was you and me on those tractor seats, sweet memories you were teaching me on those tractor seats. Now it's been a while that you've been gone. Me, I've got a boy of my own. Teach him all the things he needs. I'll teach him like you taught me. Now it's him and me on these tractor seats, making memories just like you and me on those tractor seats. Tractor Seats, Midwest Marc original. Dedicate that to my grandpa Donnie and my son Bob.